Hey, it's the Midnight Raven, and today we are showcasing another item from the Royal Norfolk gift show, and this is Waximo. So this is Waximo creating memories with fragrance. I had an amazing conversation with the man and woman that were there at the show. I have a little card here saying thank you for my purchase. You can join our Waximo VIP group on Facebook and share all your amazing purchases on their social media, which they have a Facebook and an Instagram, and they couldn't do it without us, which is amazing. So there is the little card, and there's their website down below. Not sponsored or affiliated, mind you. I did pay for all my items that I purchased from the event. Inside, we have a tiny little love heart suite and a tiny little elf suite, just because I went to a Christmas gift fair. Little tiny extras there. So, this was an amazing, I'm going to hope there are a couple. Comes in this tiny little sack, which is adorable. You don't pay for the little sack, it comes with the wax melts. How amazing is that? So, in here we have 10 little wax tubs. They were £15 for 10, or they were £2 each. So by buying 10 at £15, I saved myself a fiver, because usually 10 would cost me £20. So I managed to get these 10 for £15. It was a show special price. So I'm going to show you what I picked up. So they come in these tiny little tubs. Easily to get them out, you just tip them over and give them a bit of a squeeze, and they just fall out. So this one is Mediterranean Moonlight, and this is what you call a mini melt. They obviously do lots of other stuff on their website. So this is very, very enticing to me. I like the man smells, the musky smells, the woody smells. And this one was recommended to me, and this is the Mediterranean Moonlight. Absolutely gorgeous. That is pot number 1. Okay, pot number 2, we have One in a Melon, and this is for my son, because he has an obsession with everything watermelon flavored. The whole thing on, was it TikTok or Instagram, about watermelon and all that, got obsessed with the scent of melon. One in a Melon, very, very pungent, fruity aroma, which he will absolutely love. Okay, next, this is the Lime, Basil and Mandarin. This has a more manly smell, and that's probably because of the lime and basil. Also kind of smells kind of, I wouldn't say oriental, but it's got that really, like, I don't know. It's a gorgeous smell though. Absolutely gorgeous. And that was lime, basil and mandarin. And these pots are really cool. I honestly can't remember how much burn time the guy said there was. But he spent a lot of time with me going through the items. Okay, next one. The first one that I picked up was the Black Cassie. Oh, so sweet. But it's a darker sweet aroma. So it's got a really nice dark undertone. I don't know how to explain it, but it's sweet, but it's kind of pulled back when it comes to the sweetness. It's like a dulled down sweetness if you're not like a massive pungent smelling, but you just want something on those dark crispy nights that are coming up soon. This one is perfect. Halfway, number 5. This was also recommended to me. This is grapefruit. This is recommended to me for my son because he liked the watermelon. Absolutely sweet and very fruity. My son's going to absolutely enjoy that one, the grapefruit. So we're halfway through. So once again, the company's called Waximo. I bought these out of my own pocket. This is tropical rainforest. So again, going for the tropical feel. Kind of mango-y. I don't know if it's got mango in, but it's perfect. Perfect for my son. He loves the sweet smelling ones. And these little tiny tubs are just the perfect size. And then we've got one to help me sleep. Apparently, this is Sleepy Spa. And this is I believe this is the lavender one. Yeah, this is the lavender smelling one. So this is going to help me sleep. Apparently. We're going to attempt that because I am a really troubled sleeper. I wake up 2-3 times a night. Always have done. And apparently this will send me off to Lullaby Land. He's hoping. Okay, next we have the Enchanted Forest. And this one smells like pine trees and that kind of crisp evening air when you go through a forest, just as the lights going down. I love the smell of that. Really nice, pungent aroma. I'm not a pungent girl when it comes to scents, but things like that are that clean smelling. They're not pungent. They're just a bit of intenseness. Okay, this one is cedar and jasmine. So I was trying to go for not necessarily manly scents, but I do like the smell of a forest. That kind of Christmassy smell without being like too Christmas. And this is a very manly scent. So if you're into manly scents, this one is cedar and jasmine. And you're going to say, but it's got jasmine in it. The cedar way overpowers the jasmine. Way overpowers it. So no problem with the manly smell in that one. And then the last pot that I got was the Amber Noir, which really did go for me. Now this is a proper man's smell. You want to spray deodorant over a man, make it smell like this. This has got that aroma where you get a man walk past you and you're kind of like smelling his aroma as he's gone past. It's like, oh. Proper barbershop smell. That really nice deodorant, manly smell. So this is Amber Noir. Perfect for those nights out or nights in, should I say. And you get the little Hessian bag because I spent, I don't know if you get them with all purchases, but I did get this maybe because I spent £15. So you're probably going to say that this is expensive, and you might be right, but I love wax melts. The man and woman I spoke to were amazing. The guy was there the entire time helping me get the manly scents for myself and to then get the fruity smells for my son. So perfect. So we have the Amber Noir for myself. The cedar and jasmine was for me. The lavender is to help me sleep. Then we have the black cassia, which was also for me. And the Mediterranean moonlight was for my son, I think. Then we had my son's ones, the tropical rainforest, the grapefruit one, the one and a melon, and then you've got the enchanted forest, which is amazing, and then you've got the lemon, basil, and mandarin. So these all came in this tiny little bag, which I thought was a nice little gesture after spending £15. So at the show they were $1.99 each, or you got 10 for 15. So you save yourself a fiver by buying it at the show. Plus you get the Hessian bag. 2 little sweets are just an added bonus. So if you want to go to their thing and take a look at Waximo, I love the name. And then on the back you can go to their Facebook or Instagram and look them up. A little thank you note just to say that they can't do it without us. Please accept our invitation to the Waximo VIP where you'll be able to talk along with friends, find tips, and VIP discounts. So I'm going to join that, of course. If you want to like, subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up. Check these out, not sponsored or affiliated. I did purchase them myself. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put some pictures of these on there as well and show you some more on my Facebook. So definitely check them out. Check out Waximo. Tell them the Midnight Raven sent you if you do. Tell them it came from the gift show. I'm not sponsored or affiliated though, but it is nice to just share where you found them from. So if you want to like and subscribe and follow me, that would be amazing. If you want to help the channel, it is the season to be giving. So a PayPal, Super Chat, Super Thanks, or become a member. I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.